DJ music. DJ, thank you. DJ, thank you. Now the main event is just started. Bodybuilding. 287. 287. Judges select 20. Ready? All bodybuilders. Start. Pose number 1. Judges ready? Only 4 poses. Track number 255, 260, 261, 272, 278, 280, 281, 285, 286 and 287. Start. Pose number 1. Front double bicep Reebok with thigh muscle. Judges select 20. Judges select 20. Relax, thank you. Pose number 3, side chest with calf muscle. Relax, thank you. Pose number 4, back double bicep hamstring with calf muscle. Start. Bodybuilder आपल्याला क्विक पोजेस द्यायचे आहेत. Relax, thank you. And pose number 8, pose number 7, abdominal obliques with thigh muscle. Hold your pose. Bodybuilder, hold your pose. Relax, thank you. Thank you. स्पर्धकांनी आपल्या ट्रंक नंबर प्रमाणे पाठी जाऊन उभं राहायचंय. 306, 307, 308, 309, 319, 322, 324, 325.
Trunk number 297, please come forward. 297. 297, come forward. 298. 299, 306, 307, 308, 309, 312, 319 and 322. 324, 325, please go back. 324, 325, 326, go back.
बॉडीबिल्डर आपल्या ट्रंक नंबर प्रमाणे उभं राहायचंय. 29, 297, 298, 299, 306, 307. Okay, judges ready? Start. Pose number 1. Front double bicep Reebok with thigh muscle. एकाच वेळेला पोज द्यायची आणि आपली पोज होल्ड करून ठेवायची. Relax, thank you. Thank you. Pose number 3, side chest with calf muscle. Start. Relax. Thank you. Pose number 4, ready? Back double bicep hamstring with calf muscle. Start. Hold your pose. Relax, thank you. Pose number 7, last pose, abdominal obliques with thigh muscle. Start. स्पर्धकांना सूचना आहे, पोजेस त्वरित द्यायचे आहेत. आपल्याला वेळेचं बंधन आहे, त्याआधी आपल्याला ही स्पर्धा पूर्ण करायची आहे. Relax bodybuilder. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you bodybuilder. आपल्या ट्रेन प्रमाणे पाठी जाऊन उभं राहायचं आणि उर्वरित बॉडी बिल्डर्सनी पुढे यायचं. 324 to 351. .324, 325. थोडंसं पुढे यायचंय. Start. Pose number 1. Front double bicep revolve with thigh muscle. Relax. Thank you. Pose number 3. Side chest with calf muscle. Relax. Pose number 4. Back double bicep hamstring with calf muscle. Relax. Thank you. And pose number 7. Last pose. Abdominal oblique with thigh muscle. Relax. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Stage marshal, big semicircle. Stage marshal, big semicircle. Thank you.
.287, 297, 298, 299, 306, 309, 319, 322, 325, 326, 328, 332, 336, 339, 346, 351. Athlete, thank you for participating.
Thank you, sir. Prime number 255, 272, 285, 286, 287, 297, 298, 299, 306, 309, 319, 322, 326, 325, 326, 328, 332, 336, 339, 346 and 351. बाकीच्या स्पर्धकांनी आज जायला हरकत नाही. या स्पर्धेमध्ये भाग घेतल्याबद्दल धन्यवाद आणि पुढील सर्व स्पर्धांसाठी हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. बॉडी बिल्डर्स पोजेस करायचे आहेत. 4 पोजेस. जजेस 10 सिलेक्शन. जजेस स्पर्धकांनी जागेवरतीच थांबायचं. तिथेच पहिला रो. जजेस 10 सिलेक्शन. Start. Pose number 1. Front double bicep revolve with thigh muscle. Judges select 10. Relax, thank you. Pose number 3. Side chest with calf muscle. Start. Backstage marshal. पाचचा रो लाईन अप ठेवायचं. पाचचा रो लाईन अप ठेवायचं. Relax, thank you. Pose number 4, back double bicep hamstring with calf muscle. Start. Bodybuilder quick poses द्यायचे. Thank you, thank you. And pose number 7, last pose, abdominal oblique with thigh muscle. वेळेअभावी फक्त 10 स्पर्धकांची इथे निवड होणार आहे आणि उरलेल्या 10 स्पर्धकांना बॅक स्टेजला डेफिनेटली त्यांना प्राइज देण्यात येणार आहे. रिलॅक्स. थँक्यू थँक्यू थँक्यू. स्पर्धकांनी आपल्या क्रम नंबर प्रमाणे पाठी जाऊन उभं राहायचंय. उर्वरित स्पर्धकांनी पुढे यायचे. 319, 322, 326, 325, 328. Start. Pose number 1, front double bicep Reebok with thigh muscle. Relax, thank you. Pose number 3, side chest with calf muscle. Relax, relax. Pose number 4, back double bicep hamstring with calf muscle. Relax, thank you. And pose number 7, last pose, abdominal oblique with thigh muscle. Bodybuilder, hold your pose. Relax, thank you. Thank you.
Come on, Chennai!
This is the final 10. This is the final 10.
Up to 11-20, well done. Can we have a round of applause from 11 to 20? जोरदार तालियां.
1 to 11 ranking. 1 to 11 ranking. Judges, DJ musicचा आवाज थोडा कमी ठेवायचा. Start. Pose number 1, front double bicep Reebok with thigh muscle. Relax. Thank you. Pose number 2, front lat spread with thigh muscle. This is the top 11. Final 11. Relax. Thank you. Pose number 3, side chest with calf muscle. Start. Relax. Pose number 4, back double bicep hamstring with calf muscle. Start. Relax, relax, thank you. Pose number 5, back lat spread hamstring with calf muscle. Start. Relax, thank you. Pose number 6, your any side tricep with calf muscle. Start. Hold your pose. Relax, thank you. And last pose. Ready? Abdominal obliques with thigh muscle. Start. एकाच वेळेला सर्व बॉडी बिल्डर्सनी पोज द्यायचे आणि आपली पोज होल्ड करून ठेवायची आहे. ऑल टुगेदर अँड होल्ड युअर पोज. बॉडी बिल्डर्स. रिलॅक्स, थँक्यू थँक्यू. जागेवरतीच थांबायचंय. जागेवरतीच थांबायचंय. Stage pose, standing pose. All bodybuilders, standing pose. Final pose down, DJ music start. Final pose down, DJ music. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you all bodybuilders. Come on the stage. All bodybuilders. सर्वांनी स्टेजवर किया. Thank you. Only. Okay, face two judges in a standing pose. Face two judges in a
For
standing
men's
pose.
physique title fight.
Back pose. Back pose. And last quarter turn. Turn to your right side. Hold it. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, the jury is quickly working. Let's see who wins the ये है मेंस फिजिक के लिए आईफोन दिया जाएगा. Manish ji, if you can have the iPhone given away to the winner. Who is the winner?
The winner is 213.
Yes, 213 gets the iPhone. Yes, जैसे मनीष जी ने बताया था, Sahil Khan was here, and that's the iPhone. Can you have a big round of applause? तालियां बजती रहनी चाहिए. Okay, Manish ji, now let's go to top 10. Let's start. Okay, firstly, Rishi Shivakar, may I request you to give 10 and 9. Rank 10 goes to trunk number 346, Ganesh Pedamkar. Talia bajti rahni chahiye. Come on, quickly, friends, quickly. Ganesh Pedamkar. Thank you, Rishi Shivakar. Thank you. Can we have Santan Fernandez come up? Santan Fernandez. We go to rank 9. It goes to trunk 325, Ashish Lokhande. Ashish Lokhande. Then we go to rank 8. Ansar Mohammed. May I request Ansar Mohammed to kindly come up and give it to rank 8. It goes to trunk number 336, Dushant Ranjankar. तालियां बजती रहनी चाहिए. Come on, friends. Thank you. Okay, now 8 we go to 7. May I request Parag Parolekar to give it. Rank 7. It goes to truck number 306, Pratik Panchal. Rank 7, Pratik Panchal. Well done. Sumit Jadhav to give away the next one. That is rank 6. It goes to truck 298, Rohan Gurov. Subhash Pujari to kindly come up and present the next one. Subhash Pujari, if you can come up. Subhash Pujari is here. Yes, rank 5 goes to truck 286, Bhaskar Kamble. Bhaskar Kamble gets rank 5. Thank you. Can we have Anju Gupta come up? Anju Gupta to give rank 4. Rank 4 goes to trunk 351, Nilesh Dagde. Sanju Gupta, please present it to trunk 4, Nilesh Dagde. Well done. Sachin Dongre, if I may request you to kindly come up. We will then go to rank 3. It goes to trunk 272, Chetan Naik. So now we are left with 2 and 1. 2 and 1. Second prize gets 35,000 rupees. Third prize also 35,000 rupees. Thank you, Viresh Dhotre. Viresh Dhotre will join the next award. After this second उत्तर उसके बाद this is rank 3. Keep the claps going. तालियां बजते रहनी चाहिए. Chetan Naik is rank 3. Okay, Viresh Dhotre, if you can come up and present rank 2 after this. Okay, rank 2, Viresh Dhotre will give it to trunk number 299, Sujan Pilarkar. Sujan Pilarkar gets 35,000 rupees and a nice medal. Well done, Sujan Pilarkar.
अजय खानविलकर सर कृपया विनंती करेन व्यासपीठावरती यायचे. ग्रेटर बॉम्बे बॉडी बिल्डर असोसिएशनचे अध्यक्ष श्री अजय खानविलकर सर व्यासपीठावरती येतील. त्याचबरोबर श्री राजेश सावंत सर विनंती करेन आपण व्यासपीठावरती यायचं. सुनील शेगडे सर, राजेश सावंत सर आणि सुनील शेगडे सर आपण दोघांनी व्यासपीठावरती यायचंय. प्रभाकर कदम सर, प्रभाकर कदम सर व्यासपीठावरती यायचं.
Deepak Chauhan, Star Connect presents Mass Parade Shri 2022. Winner is truck number 339, Sagar Katurde.
सागर कातुर्डे परेल श्रीचा विजेता.
What a witnesses! Star Connect presents Mass Parade Shri Association with Greater Mumbai Bodybuilders Association and Mumbai Suburban Bodybuilding and Fitness Association. Mass Parade Shri 2022 is Sagar Katurde. What a lovely moment this is. 2 साल ये कंपटीशन नहीं हो पाई थी, पर आज 2 साल के बाद 4th एडिशन मास परेड श्री के विनर है सागर कातुर्डे, रैंक 1 मास परेड श्री. Well done, Sagar. Well done, Sagar. He gets that wonderful Royal Enfield bike. And all dignitaries from all our associations also present. Deepak Chauhan is here, Manish Advilkar is here. All the dignitaries from the association are also here. And a big round of applause to all of them.
All bouncers.
Ajay Khanvilkar,
Bouncer.
Rajesh Sawant, Sunil Shegde, Prabhakar Kadam, all from the
Bouncer.
Deepak Chauhan is here, Manish Advilkar is here. Yes, keep the claps going. Talia bajti rehni chahiye. Come on, we are at the Shahrukh Khan in the hall. The winner of Mass Parade Shri 2022, Sagar Katurde. Well done, Sagar. Well done.
मेरा वार्म अप है, तेरा पीता कल होगा, मेरा आने वाला कल है. मेरा मास है, वो शेर भी क्लास है. मास मेरे अंदर, मास ही महाराज है.
काय सुंदर क्षण आहे हा. सागर कातुर्डे अप्रतिम कामगिरी. अजय खानविलकर आहेत, दीपक चौहान आहेत, मनीष आदविलकर आहेत. And Sagar Katurde, Mass Parade Shri winner. हार्दिक अभिनंदन सागर कातुर्डे यांचं. दीपक चौहान आणि मनीष आदविलकर यांच्या हस्ते हा पुरस्कार दिला जातोय. What a lovely moment this is. Mass Parade Shri 2022 winner is Sagar Katurde. Well done, Sagar. Well done. Receiving it at the hands of Manish Advilkar and Deepak Chauhan. Dinesh Pujari is also here to present the bike and all.